Stop dreaming and experience the future of driving. The Tesla Model X, starting at $90,000, isn't just an SUV. It's the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and sustainability. It's not just a car. It's a glimpse into the future. The Falcon Wing doors are the most striking feature of the Model X. These aren't just about style. They provide easy access even in the tightest parking spots. Inside, the car offers a spacious and minimalist design, with a large touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. The Tesla Model X doesn't just look impressive, its performance is exceptional. With ludicrous mode, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, making it the fastest production SUV on the planet. And with dual-motor all-wheel drive, the Model X handles any weather with ease, whether it's rain or snow. Activate autopilot and the car takes care of the rest. With features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and auto parking, it ensures a safer, more comfortable drive. Plus, with a 348-mile range on a single charge, you won't have to worry about recharging on long trips. So are you ready? The future is electric, and that future is Tesla.